Hello, today we're showing you guys a smart Hummingbird feeder. Okay, so this is your feeder. We're going to take a look at the camera here. Make sure you remove all the plastic from your camera lens and make sure there's nothing blocking your lens. So this is the camera. Just a simple standard camera. In here you have your on and off, your battery, your charging, and also your TF slot. So make sure you have a TF memory card. I don't believe they supply you it. A 32 gigabyte micro TF memory card should do fine. Now, I've seen some people place the camera like this and also place it the other way. You can also, I've seen people do this many different ways. You guys can do it however you see fit. You can follow the manual completely if you'd like. That's going to be up to you guys. On the back here or underneath, you're going to plug in your solar panel. That's going to connect to your port in there, and that's going to charge your camera. You got all your power cables, mounting brackets, and so forth.